Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about functions, different types of functions. As you know that there are five important types of functions, namely one function, type number two, onto function, type number three, bijective function or bijection, type number four, invertible function or inverse function, type number five, composite function. Okay, based on these five types, to solve some more problems. Okay, so in previous class we are discussing about some problems. Now today I am going to deal with some more problems based on different types of functions. Okay, now here problem number 6. What is that? Let A is the set consisting of three elements, namely 1, 2, 3. B is a set consisting of four elements, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let F is the function order pair 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. It means image of 1 is 4, image of 2 is 5, image of 3 is 6. Okay, now which is a function from A to B. Now the question, show that the given function is 1, function. You know the definition of 1, 1, function is mathematically image of x1 is equal to image of x2. That is f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Or in other words, different elements of a set will have different images. One the element A, one the image A. Repeat ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು. ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎರಡು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬಾರದು. ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು. ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is known as 1, function. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Observe it. Image of 1 is 4, different element. Image of 2 is 5, again it is different value. Image of 3 is 6. All are different. Different elements of a set will have different images. Clearly it is 1. So how to solve? Look here. Now here given data f is a function. Order pair 1, 4 means image of 1 is 4, image of 2 is 5, image of 3 is 6. That is we write f of 1 is 4, f of 2 is 5, f of 3 is 6. That is given. Observe it. Obviously it is true because different elements of a set will have different images. One element A, one image A. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you take rough diagram, that is Venn diagram. Now here A is a set consisting of three elements 1, 2, 3. B be a set consisting of four elements 4, 5, 6, 7. F of 1 is 4, F of 2 is 5, F of 3 is 6. Is it 1, function or not? Obviously it is true because different elements of a set will have different images. Here different elements of set A will have different images in the set B. Image of 1 is 4, one element one image. Different elements will have different images. So different elements of a set will have different images in the set B. Therefore f is 1, function. Okay, this is your reference. ನಿಮ್ಮ reference ಇದು. Here students, seventh problem number 7. If f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to, first question 3 minus 4x, second question f of x equal to 1 plus x square. Verify that whether the given functions are 1, function as well as onto function, or which is only 1 but not onto, or but not 1 is it onto. Verify, check it, examine whether the following functions are 1, as well as onto function. Now first one, f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. Now verify whether it is 1, as well as onto. You know the definition of 1. Now here in general, let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Take the images. Now to prove that elements must be equal, x1 is equal to x2. This implies f of x will 3 minus 4x. What is f of x1? Replace x by x1. 3 minus 4x1 is equal to 3 minus 4x. Right? Simplify. This implies 3 minus 4x1 minus 3 minus into minus plus 4x2 is equal to 0. Now here plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Minus 4x1 is equal to, transfer it, minus 4x2 divide by minus 4, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1, 1 function. Okay. Then verify whether it is onto or not. Definition of onto. Codomain is equal to range. Or mathematically, f of x equal to 1. If f of x equal to y, that condition is satisfied, it is said to be onto. Now to prove that f of x is equal to 1. Okay. Now here let y is equal to f of x. F of x value 3 minus 4x. Using this to find the value of x. This implies 3 minus 4x is equal to 1. Therefore 4x is equal to 3 minus 1. Correct? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 4x equal to 1. Minus 4x equal to y minus 3, or 4x equal to 3 minus y. Therefore x is equal to 3 minus y divided by 4. It is in the form p by q. That is also real number, belongs to R. Now to prove that codomain is equal to range, that is now therefore f of x is equal to, now f of x is equal to in there 3 minus 4. X value 3 minus y divided by 4. X value substitute. 4 cancel. 3 minus 3. Minus into minus plus 1. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. So image of x is equal to 1. This condition is satisfied. Therefore f is onto function. So first example it is 1 1 as well as onto. Hence f is what? F is bijection. Both 1 1 and 2 satisfied, hence f is bijective function or bijection. Nodri onto prove madokare mathematically generally to prove that f of x equal to y. That is nothing but codomain is equal to range. Clear? Okay. Second one. In the 7th question, second one, f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. Now verify whether it is 1 1 as well as onto 1 plus x square. Okay. Now take f of x1 is equal to f of x2 to prove that x1 is equal to x2. This implies f of x is 1 plus x square. Replace x by x1. What happened? 1 plus x1 square is equal to here 1 plus x2 square. Simplify 1 plus x1 square. Take equal on right side minus 1. Minus x2 square is equal to 0. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. This implies x1 square is equal to x2 square. Therefore, x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. That is x1 is equal to plus x2. Okay. Or x1 is equal to minus x2. Which is not true. x1 is not equal to minus x2. x1 is equal to x2 or x1 is equal to minus x2. Right. Now, which is not true. Is it 1 1 function? No, it is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. Clear? Or another type, or trial and error method. You take Venn diagram. Using Venn diagram, check it. F from R to R. R to R means set of all real numbers. So many real numbers. 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, root value, and so on. Here also same number of elements. Okay. 3, minus 3, and so on. Okay. Now f of x. X is domain. 1 plus x square is codomain. Take 1 by 1. Put x is 0. X value 0. 1 plus 0 square is 0. 1 plus 0 square is 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 value is 1. Image of 0 is 1. Okay. Put x equal to 1. 1 substitute madi. 1 square 1. 1 plus 1 2. Image of 1 is 2. Right. Put x is minus 1. Minus 1 substitute madi. Minus 1 square is plus 1. plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Image of minus 1 is also 2. So image of 1 is 2. Image of minus 1 is also 2. Here, in this Venn diagram, f of 1 is equal to 2 and f of minus 1 is also 2. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1. Therefore, 1 is not equal to minus 1. Definition of 1, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. But here, f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1 because f of 1 is 2. F of minus 1 is also 2. But 1 is not equal to minus 1. Therefore, f is not 1, 1. Second problem. The first one is the given function is not 1, 1 function. Is it onto function? It is not onto. Why? Definition of onto. Codomain is equal to range. Now here codomain. These are all codomain. What is the range? Range is also elements in image is there. That is the range. Set of all images under the map F. That is known as range. Now here image of 1 is 0. Image of 0 is a 0 image is ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ clearly it is not onto. Clearly it is not onto because codomain is not equal to range. Codomain is not equal to range. That is, for example, you take one simple example. For example, take 0. 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So 0 belongs to codomain. ಹೌದಾ? 0 belongs to codomain. 0 belongs to codomain. Right? 0 belongs to codomain. ಇದರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 0 ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So 0 belongs to codomain. 0 belongs to codomain values. That is 1 plus x square is equal to 0. Right? Implies x square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to root of minus 1. Is it root 1 belongs to real number? No, does not belongs to real number. X is domain. Another is 0 image domain agidena illa. So codomain is not equal to range. Therefore, f is not onto and f is not 1, 1. Second example, it is not 1, 1, it is not onto. Whereas first example is it is 1, 1 as well as onto. Clear students? Correct observe ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. By using Venn diagram, ಈ rough diagram ನಾವು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ whether it is 1, 1 or not. Okay? Next problem. Let A is the set consisting of set of all real numbers except 3. 3 number ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ. 3 substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 minus 3 0. Any number upon 0 not defined. F is not defined. That's why A is the set consisting of set of all real numbers except 3. R minus 3 means ಎಲ್ಲ real number ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು? 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. 3 ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. A is the set consisting of set of all real number except 3. And B is a set consisting of set of all real numbers except 1. Except 1. 1 number ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ real number ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Okay. Consider the function f from A to B defined by ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನ? f of x equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Using this, verify whether f is 1, 1 function as well as onto function. Check it. Okay, very simple question. Now look here. 3 mark question. Given data f of x is equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Okay, now to prove that, verify that whether it is 1, 1 or not. Definition of 1, 1. Image of x1 is equal to image of x2. Take f of x1 is equal to f of x2 to prove that x1 is equal to x2. This implies f of x value x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Replace x by x1. X is x1 substitute ಮಾಡಿ x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3 is equal to replace x by x2. x2 minus 2 divided by x2 minus 3. Then simplify. Cross multiply x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 is equal to x1 minus 3 into x2 minus 2. Right? Now multiply. x1 into x2, x1, x2. x1 into minus 3, minus 3x1. Minus 2 into x2, minus 2x2. Minus 2 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 6 is equal to x1 into x2, x1 into minus 2, minus 2x1. Minus 3 into x2, minus 3x2. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Correct? Then simplify. This implies x1, x2 minus 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 6. Take equal on right side. Minus x1, x2. Okay. Plus 2x1 plus 3x2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Then further simplify. Plus x1, x2 minus x1, x2 cancel. Then plus 6 minus 6 cancel. Minus 3x1 plus 2x1. How much? Minus x1. Then minus 2x2 plus 3x2 plus x2 is equal to 0. Multiply by minus sign. x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x1 is equal to x2. So, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is what? 1 function. F is 1 function. Is it onto function? Definition of onto. Codomain is equal to range. Mathematically, f of x equal to y. Take y is equal to f of x. What is f of x value? X minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Using this to find the value of x, cross multiply y into x, xy minus y into 3 minus 3y is equal to x minus 2. This implies xy minus 3y minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Take equal on right side. Minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here xy minus x. Among those two, common, take x common. Y minus 1. Right? Iವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ x common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ y minus 1 is equal to remaining two term goes to right side. Minus 3y goes to right side. Plus 3y. Plus 2 goes to right side. Minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to divide both sides by y minus 1. 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1. Now here B is a set consisting of set of all real numbers except 1 to over real. Suppose if you take 1, x y value 1 200 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus 1 0. Any number upon 0 not defined infinity. That's why the set B contains set of all real number except 1. Clear? Now we got x value. Now to prove that onto definition, f of x equal to y. Therefore, f of x is equal to, what is f of x value? X minus 2 divided by x minus 3. The value of x is here 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 minus 2 divided by x minus 3. What is the value of x? X value 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 minus 3. Right? Then simplify. In the numerator, take the LCM. So f of x is equal to, in the numerator LCM is y minus 1. Here multiply by 1. Here multiply by y minus 1. So 3y minus 2 into 1, that is 3y minus 2 minus 2 into y 2y minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2 divided by y minus 1 whole divided by, again LCM is y minus 1, right? That y minus 1 cancel. Here multiply by y minus 1, here multiply by 1, that is 3y minus 2 minus 3 into y 3y minus into minus plus 3 divided by y minus 1, that y minus 1 cancel. Now simplify, plus 2 minus 2 cancel, minus 3y plus 3y cancel. F of x equal to 3y minus 2y y divided by minus 2 plus 3 1. Y by 1 is nothing but y. So f of x equal to y. Codomain is equal to range. The condition is satisfied. Therefore f is onto function. Therefore the given function is 1 function as well as onto function. Clear, students? Okay. Next problem. Problem number 9. if f is a function from n to n natural numbers is defined by f of x is equal to two values n plus 1 by 2. In general, if n is odd number, if it is n by 2, n is even number. For all n belongs to set of natural number, then state, verify whether the function f is bijective. Justify your answer. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು bijective function ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Look here, solution number 9, ninth solution. Now f of x is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd. If it is even number, n by 2 is even number. Then verify whether it is 1 1 as well as onto. You have to check it. So you know the definition of 1 1. Different elements of a set will have different images. Okay. Now here take one by one. Where n is set of all natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now take x is equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. F of 1. Take x equal to 1. 1 is even or odd? Odd number. This is n is odd. Put n value 1. Put n value is 1. Now here f of n is equal to. Put n is equal to 1. n1 is odd number. 1 plus 1 divided by 2. That is 2 by 2. That is 1. Then take n is equal to 2. 2 is even or odd? Even number. If it is even number, the value is n by 2. Put n is 2. 2 by 2. That is 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. So f of 1 is 1. F of 2 is also 1. F of 1 is equal to 1. F of 2 is 1. Different elements. Definition of 1 1. Different elements will have different images. One element image ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ one element image 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Two element image again 1. Now therefore f of 1 is equal to 1 and f of 2 is also 1. F of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to 1. Is it 1 is equal to 2? F of x1 equal to f of x2 implies is it x1 is equal to x2? x1 value is 1, x2 value 2. Is it 1 is equal to 2? No, 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore f is not 1 1. ಇದು 1 1 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Is it onto function? You take one simple diagram using Venn diagram. Okay, verify. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Is it onto? Is it 1 1? Check it. N is set of natural numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and so on. Here also same numbers, isn't it? Okay. Now n take one by one. N value 1. 1 is odd number or even number? Odd number. N value odd number. 1 plus 1 by 2. 2 by 2 1. Image of 1 is 1. Put n is 2. 2 is what? Even number. Even number value input is n by 2. N value 2. 2 by 2 1. Then put n is 3. 3 substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. 3 is even or odd? Odd number. 3 plus 1 4. 4 by 2. Put n is 4. 4 is even or odd? Even number. Put n is 4. 4 by 2. 2. Put n is 5. 5 is odd number. 5 plus 1. 6 divided by 2. 3. Put n is 6. 6 is even number. 6 by 2. 3. Like that. So is it onto or not? Yes, because all the elements will have its images. Codomain is equal to range. All elements images satisfy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Take n value 7 to ನೋಡಿ. 7 is odd number. 7 plus 1 8. 8 by 2 4. Image of 7 is 4. Image of 8 is also 4. Like that. Image of 9 is 5. Image of 10 is 5 and so on. So all the codomain is equal to range. Is it 1 1? No, because two elements associated with one image. Definition of 1 1. 1 is to 1. One element to one image element. So it is not 1 1, but it is onto. Now here codomain is equal to what? Range. ಎಲ್ಲ codomain value images range ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore f is onto, but it is not 1 1. Is it bijective? No, it is not bijective, because definition of bijective, if it is only if and only if, it is both 1 1 as well as onto. 1 1 onto ಎರಡು ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is known as bijective, but it is only onto, but it is not 1 1. Here similarly 10th problem, very simple problem. Here we show that the function f from set of real number to real number is defined by f of x equal to 3x is 1 1 as well as and 2. You know the definition of 1 1? In general 1 1 definition, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. To prove that x1 is equal to x2, given f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Since f of x is 3x, replace x by x1. X is the x1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3x1. Replace x by x2, 3x2. Divide by 3 so that x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1. Very simple result. Is it onto? How to verify onto? F of x equal to 1. Mathematically, f of x equal to y, that is codomain is equal to range. To prove that f of x equal to 1, let y is equal to f of x. What is f of x value given? That is 3x, because mathematically function can be written as y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x value 3x. Therefore, using this, x is equal to what? Y by 3. Is it real number? Yes, y by 3 also belongs to real number. X is real number, y by 3 is also real number. Therefore, to prove that f of x equal to y, hence f of x is equal to f of x value 3x. 3, x value is y by 3. That 3 cancel, that is y. Therefore, f of x equal to y, that condition is satisfied. Therefore, f is what? Onto function. In this example, it is 1 1 as well as onto. Clear, students? Okay. Next problem. 11th problem. That is most important. Very important. 5 mark question in your question paper. Part D. Question number 39 belongs to invertible function. Invertible is nothing but inverse function. Most important problem. Question number 11 onwards, that is 5 mark questions. That is very important and easiest problem. Expected question. That question was asked several times. Okay, maximum times that question was asked. Now the question is, consider the function f from r to r given by f of x equal to 4x plus 3. Show that f is invertible function. Invertible means inverse function. Also find its inverse. Find inverse of f. Very simple question. Now here you know the definition of invertible function. Given data f of x equal to 4x plus 3. For all x belongs to what? Real number. Show that f is invertible. Inverse function. Definition of invertible or inverse function what? It is both 1 1 as well as onto. Since f is function from a to b, which is 1 1 and onto, then reverse. Then the function from b to a, again it is 1 1 and onto. Then the function f is said to be inverse function. ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು 1 1 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು onto ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. If it is bijective function, then only inverse function exists. Otherwise it is not exist. Show that it is invertible means we should prove that it is 1 1 as well as onto. Okay. Now first to prove 1 1. How to solve 1 1? You know. Take f of x1 is equal to f of x2. To prove that x1 is equal to x2, this implies f of x value 4x plus 3. Replace x by x1. What is that? 4x1 plus 3 is equal to 4x2 plus 3. Right? This implies simplify 4x1 plus 3 minus 4x2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Implies 4x1 minus 4x2 is equal to 0, or 4x1 is equal to 4x2, right? Divide both sides by 4, x1 is equal to x2. So f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is what? 1 1 function. F is 1 1. Then again to prove that onto function. Definition of onto. Codomain is equal to range. Mathematically to prove that f of x equal to what? Y. Now here take y is a function of x. Y is equal to f of x. f of x value 4x plus 3. Using this to find the value of x. Therefore, using this 4x is equal to what? Y minus 3. Or divide by 4, x is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4 belongs to what? Real number. It is the 4p by q. That is rational number. Every rational number is become real number. Right? Now to prove that f of x equal to 1. Therefore, f of x is equal to, what is f of x value? 4x plus 3. 4x. The value of x is, substitute the value of x. X value y minus 3 divided by 4 plus 3. 4x. X value is y minus 3 by 4 plus 3. Simplify. 4 cancel. That equals y minus 3 plus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Therefore, f of x equal to 1. This condition is satisfied. We conclude that f is onto function. Therefore, hence f is 1 1 and 1 1 and onto. That is bijective. Hence, f is invertible function. F is invertible. No, invertible avakara. It is both 1 1 as well as onto. This first part is over. Second part, also find its inverse. It means to find f inverse of x, inverse image of x. Now here you know that f of x equal to y, already proved, right? Image of x equal to y, what is x is equal to? Therefore x is equal to f goes to here, that is inverse image of y. Therefore inverse image of y is equal to what? X. But the value of x is, x value is y minus 3 divided by 4. Similarly, inverse image of x, replace y by x. F of x equal to y. Using this, x is equal to inverse image of y. Therefore, inverse image of y is equal to x. But the value of x is y minus 3 by 4. Whereas f inverse of x, inverse image of x, replace y by x. What is that? X minus 3 divided by 4. This is inverse function. Inverse image of x is x minus 3 by 4. Inverse image of y is y minus 3 by 4. 5 mark question students. Clean ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎವ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 5 mark question. ಓಕೆ, next problem. Problem number 12. Consider the function f from r plus 2 semi-closed interval. You know the interval, semi-closed. That is one side closed, another side is open. That is known as semi-closed interval 4, infinity. Given by f of x equal to x square plus 4. R plus is set of all positive real number. Don't take negative real number, only take positive real number. Okay, 2 closed interval 4, infinity. Semi-closed interval 4, infinity. It means what? Including 4, more than 4, not less than 4. Okay, if you take less than 4, the function is not defined. That's why the condition semi-closed interval 4, infinity given by f of x equal to x square plus 4 show that again f is invertible function. Also, its inverse, f inverse of y, inverse image of y. To prove that inverse image of y is root of y minus 4, where r plus denote set of all non-negative real numbers. Non-negative means only positive real numbers. Don't take negative real numbers. Okay, now again it is invertible. Invertible means what? Which is 1 1 as well as onto. Now to prove that the function f is 1 1 as well as onto. Now very simple. That is also most important. Examination corner. That is also 5 mark question. Very important expected question. Question number 11 onwards. All are 5 mark. Remember. Now here given data f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Given f of x is equal to x square plus 4. First part to prove that it is 1 1 function. Definition of 1 1. Let f of x1 is equal to f of x2. implies f of x value x square plus 4. Replace x by x1. What is that? x1 square plus 4 is equal to x2 square plus 4. Right? Now this implies x1 square plus 4 minus x2 square, take equal on right side, minus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel, x1 square minus x2 square is equal to 0. This implies x1 square is equal to x2 square, taking the root on both sides, x1 is equal to x2 or x1 is equal to minus x2. Don't take that value because the condition only positive real number. Don't take negative real number. Suppose r ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ it is not 1 1. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ r plus denote take only positive real number so that x1 is equal to plus x2. This condition is satisfied. Therefore f is what? 1 1 function. F is 1 1. Now to prove onto, mathematically onto, f of x equal to y, codomain is equal to range. Now here let y is equal to f of x. What is f of x value? That is x square plus 4. Y is equal to f of x value x square plus 4. Using this to find the value of x, x square is equal to y minus 4. Therefore x is equal to root of y minus 4 belongs to r plus set of all positive real numbers. Okay, belongs to r plus 2 semi closed interval 4 comma infinity. Nodi y value ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು? Belongs to 4 semi closed interval r plus semi closed interval 4 comma infinity, including 4, then more than 4. Don't take less than 4. If you take less than 4, see what happened? Less than 4, say 3. 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 minus 4, root of minus 1. That is not real number. That's why the condition 4 comma infinity. Okay. Now here x is equal to y minus 4. Therefore f of x is equal to prove that f of x equal to y. Hence f of x value given x square plus 4. But the value of x is root of y minus 4 x square to the power of 4 plus 4. Simplify. Root of y minus 4 to the power of 4 is y minus 4 plus 4 plus 4 minus 4 cancel. F of x equal to 1. This condition is satisfied. Therefore f is onto function. It is 1 1 as well as onto. Therefore f is 1 1 and onto. Hence f is what? Invertible. Very simple question, students. Also to prove that inverse image of y is equal to root y minus 4. Very simple. Now you know that image of x is equal to y. Already proved. Using this x is equal to inverse image of y. Therefore inverse image of y is equal to x. But the value of x is x value and the root of y minus 4. So inverse image of y is equal to root of y minus 4. That is 5 mark question. Be careful. Correct type solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Clear students? Okay. So to solve some more problems in next class. Okay? Thank you students.